Is it a good idea for a software services company to run Google Ads? Hey Ali, how are you? Hi. I run a software service company, cool, amazing, and was recently pitched by an agency that claimed Google Ads could deliver an 80% lead lock-in rate. Very surprising. I, I wonder that if you are looking around elsewhere when we as a Google partner are here over you to help. But anyway, so I recognize that number is highly unrealistic. Agreed, that is quite unrealistic approach, but it raised a broader question I want to put out here. Okay, share your experience. Does Google Ads actually make sense for a software service company in the B2B space? If so, what a realistic budget to allocate without wasting resources? What strategies tend to work best for companies like ours so I can validate whether the approach they are giving me is even worth it or not? I'm not looking to throw money at ads blindly. I want to understand whether this channel is generally effective for building qualified leads in our industry or if other avenues deliver strong ROI. Appreciate any insights. Okay, so glad you asked the question. Okay, Google Ads is a diamond for your industry. Yes, it works for B2B. It works. I can agree. I'm gonna second on it. But you need to have a highly optimized landing page with case studies, reviews, and authenticity. Okay, these things are much necessary in your case before you take it. Also, your ad optimization. Okay, so this is a normal ad, and I often discuss in my videos how to optimize ads by adding side link over here, call out extension, call extension, location extension, utilize snippet, and price extension. Okay, this makes a perfect ad. Okay, but your case is different. Why your case is different? Because in my opinion, the case is different because I do not recommend adding the price section because it's a B2B and often the deals need to be done on the call or the email depending upon the scope of the project. So I do not recommend adding the price section, but this is a very good ad. Yes, the ad works. If I was you, I may be allocating my 70% budget on search campaigns, different for each area, ideally a landing page as well for each area. Okay, and highly optimized settings plus ad schedules, device settings, everything, to the plus looking around what the competitors are doing. I may be spending a lot to look around what my competitors are doing. I need to figure out what they are doing apart from running on competitors, ad schedules, devices, 70% search campaigns. My 30% is going to be going to the remarketing. Okay, if you can make it 40. Okay, surprisingly, it works well. Now, I do not recommend this amount for remarketing or retargeting, but your case is different. Your case is a B2B, and the client need to think multiple times before taking a decision. Try to understand this theory, and which is why, first of all, comparison of your landing page with the competitors, your ad copy, their keywords, the strategies of the competitors versus yours. Then look around in the areas, locations. Then create a highly optimized campaigns and multiple campaigns for each area and with different keywords, personalized ads, so that you can get the maximum quality score and high relevancy to make the most out of it. But since again, as it requires an affiliation association, you need to have social media on your website, testimonials. These things works. Testimonials, case studies. These things works like a charm to increase your sales. So because it's a B2B business, so client need to understand. So I told you highly optimized page with case studies, reviews, and the authenticity. These are the things which can help you. Yes, in short, yes, you can run for software services company to run Google Ads. Just follow the strategies as I discussed, and it's going to work well. But in case if you need a professional help, we can help you. We are a full-fledged Google Ads partner company, and we offer a lot of services, including Google Ads, website development. We are a full-fledged agency. So if you want to check out our services, you can hire us through the link in the description or the first comment, and we look forward working with you. Just to let you know that me myself is in this industry for the last 18 years or more, and I have a full-fledged team with me to help you in optimizing your Google Ads campaign, auditing, setup, everything from A to Z. We are a full-fledged company. So yeah, I look forward working with you. I hope this answers your question as well. Take care and bye bye.